Welcome back to another video. Today we have a Miniverse Make It Mini baby food, and today we have my son helping me opening it today. So let's get started. Alright, we're almost to the next layer. We've noticed that there's always 2 layers. So just see. I'll be right back. We're just going to open this. And on the next layer. Almost there. Oops.
Oopsie. While opening it, and we need one more roll and...
So it comes with a baby. Okay, so it came with the baby. It came with mystery bag. What does that have? Some plates? Mystery bag. Instructions. Okay. All right, let's open the first mystery bag. We have, put it in the camera view, you can't see. A bowl.
Cooking.
What?
Cooking.
Oh, a utensil. Oh, it's to smash baby food, I think.
Oh yeah. Whoa.
Let's see. There's
Oh,
is that the baby food? We have the baby spoon, plate, and what else did it come with? Carrots. What else did it come with? Carrots.
Is this a stretchy baby?
So we have the little baby here. It's like squishy. I have pen marks on me here. With the diaper. The diaper is like a felt material. And it is a little, I'm thinking, feeding chair. Oops. Maybe you can put the tray in front of him or her. And then we can smush up the vegetables over here. Super cute. Happy Sun Farms. It must be a little potato or something. But this is adorable. So this is our first Miniverse Make It baby. I forgot what it was called. But thank you so much for being here and opening this up with us. Make It baby food. So this was fun and new and different. Let us know if you like seeing these little Miniverse or you'd rather see different mini items. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.